What's going on, guys? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘕𝘰, and I truly appreciate you for being here with me. Yesterday, I was raving about how amazing Xen Coin is and how you can make tons of money from Xen Coin, hopefully, maybe, probably. And it's really amazing. And a lot of people are like, oh, how do you make money from Xen Coin? How exactly do you make money from Xen Coin? I'm here to teach you out of the kindness of my heart. I'm not selling anything. I mean, you can buy my course, but I'm doing it out of the kindness of my heart because I care about you guys and I want all of us to be rich together. So we're going to get into it, and I'm going to make about 100 different wallets because you can only make one Xen transaction per wallet. So I'm going to make about 100 different wallets and then show you how to send Ethereum to multiple wallets at the same time in one fell swoop, and then mint many Xen from each one of those wallets. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, let me reduce this a little bit, my pretty little face or whatever. First thing you need to do is you need to go to, you need to download Metamask right here. So here's my Metamask, blah, blah, blah. Have about $89 that you saw in there. Go to Metamask. Right now I'm doing Metamask on Firefox, but Metamask is also available for Chromecast. So right here, you just click download Metamask for Firefox. After you download it, you're going to have a seed phrase that it's going to give you. It's going to give you about 12 words, either 12 or 24 words for a seed phrase. Write this seed phrase down. Do not take a picture of it and then put it on Google or put it on Apple, because that could get hacked. Then I want you to go to Coinbase or go to crypto.com or even go to Robinhood. I think Robinhood lets you send transactions of Ethereum. Go there, buy Ethereum, buy as much Ethereum as you can. I'm going to buy about $100 worth of Ethereum. And then when I get paid, I'm going to buy another maybe $300, $400 worth of Ethereum, because that's going to give me enough money to create 100 wallets and to do 100 Xen transactions, minting transactions on these 100 wallets. Okay, so after you send that money to your MetaMask account, right? You send it to this address. Just copy and paste the address to your Coinbase or to your Robinhood. Then send it to this address. I did that earlier today. So right now I have about $89 of ETH in my account. The first thing I want you to do is go to right here. So I have an account right here, account 1. I want you to create a new account. So I'm going to create an account. I'm going to call it account 10. You can call it anything that you want, by the way, but I'm just going to call it account 10. And then this is right here, C815, blah, 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 is the name of my wallet, my Ether wallet that is attached to this account, that is attached to the overall MetaMask account, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to go to this special website called scatterme.app. What scatterme.app does is that it allows you to switch to send multiple Ethereum transactions in one fell swoop. You can send 50 different coin transactions, right? Let's say I want to send $1 of Ethereum to 50 different wallets. You can do this all in one fell swoop, and you only have to pay one transaction fee instead of doing $1 from this Ethereum wallet to this Ethereum wallet, then paying the transaction fee. Then another from this Ethereum wallet to this Ethereum wallet and paying the transaction fee 50 times. Instead, you'll just send $50 to 50 Ethereum addresses in one transaction. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to connect to this C815 wallet, Ethereum wallet. Click connect. And that is now connected to scatter.me app. Okay, so you can connect it to the scatter.me. You can send Ethereum through scatter.me. You can also send, what else? You can send Polygon, aka Matic, through it. You see it automatically just connects to my Matic address. And you can even send, you can even say Binance Smart Chain. Okay, got it. There you go. It automatically connects to all these things. In fact, I'm going to go to a different chain called Palm, and so I can show you all the accounts that it can connect to. See, so it's not working with Palm. It doesn't work with Palm wallets or Palm blockchain. So what you have to do, it can only send it to Ethereum, Ropus, 10 Ethereum, 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘕, BSC Testnet, Polygon, Matic, and Harmony networks. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Ethereum. Then we're going to go to my main Ethereum network. Go to the main account number 1 that has $89. And then we're going to send Ethereum to that account number 10. And in fact, account number 10 right here. In fact, let me make another account so I can show you sending Ethereum to multiple accounts at the same time. So what we're going to do is that we're going to copy account 11's wallet address. I'm going to say I want to send Ethereum, and you can send Ethereum in 3 different ways. You can put an address between the wallet address and the amount of Ethereum that you want to send. You can put a comma with no space between the address and the amount of Ethereum, and you can send an equal sign between both numbers without spaces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that right here. This is account number 11. I'm going to put space, and then I'm going to put 0.004. All right. So as you can see, it says that I'm going to send 0.004 Ethereum from my balance of 0.006, and I'm going to have a remaining balance of about 0.0065 instead of 0.069. Okay. And look what happens if I accidentally mess up, like put random numbers in between it. It automatically disappears. Okay. So you need to make sure that you either put a space, an equal sign, or a comma with no space. Okay. And you don't even have to type it in manually. You don't have to do that. You can get a CSV file, which is a spreadsheet, which is an Excel spreadsheet. Copy and paste that into here directly. You can drag and drop the Excel spreadsheet directly onto the page. Okay, so I just realized that there's only one way to do this. You're going to have to copy and paste all the wallet addresses onto a notepad or a Word file. So I have all of them copied right here. You see them right here. All the addresses right here. They're copied right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste both of them. This is for account 10. I'm going to go to make sure that I'm connected to account 1, which actually has the $89. I'm going to send ETH to account 11. I'm sorry, account 10. I'm going to send 0.005. And the reason why I'm sending I'm going to send 0.004. And the reason why I'm sending 0.004, which is about $6 or $5, because that's all it takes to mint however much Zen that you want to mint into each wallet address. Okay. All it takes is about $5 to $6 for each wallet address. And at $5 to $6, let's say that you wait about a year and 2 months, that $5 to $6 is going to change into maybe $2,000, $3,000. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So that's actually really amazing. Anyway, so I'm going to copy and paste account 10 wallet into here. And then I'm going to copy and paste account 11's wallet into here too. And I'm going to send 0.004 both times. So right down here, we can see that both of these addresses is what we're going to send. 0.004 Ethereum, which is a total of 0.008 Ethereum. And it shows how much I have left versus how much I'm starting off with. Okay. And in case of errors, in case I type in both of the addresses incorrectly, I can decide either I want to cancel the entire transaction for all 2 of these transactions. Let's say that you're sending 50 instead of 2. You can decide to cancel all 50 of those transactions. Or if I click no, I can only send the Ethereum to the addresses that are correct. Okay, that I copy and pasted correctly. So I'm just going to click no because I want everything to send. Okay, all transactions will go through. Okay, and if I click yes, if any address is invalid or a transaction fails, the whole transaction will be canceled. Okay, so I'm going to click no. Then I'm going to click send. So I'm going to have to sign the transaction through Metamask. It's going to cost me about $3 to sign it. That's how much it costs. So if I send 50 transactions, it's still going to cost me $3. But I'm only sending 2, and it's still going to cost me $3, right? So it's really, really cool. It's going to cost a total of $13. Click confirm. Okay, click that to go away, and I can look at the transaction. It's right here. It says it's going to take less than 45 seconds. In fact, it's already done. Wow, look how quick that is. So to see if I actually have this $5 or so into, there it is, transaction successful. To see if it's actually done, what I'm going to go do is then go to account number 10, and voila, we see that we have $5.18 in account 10 and $5.18 in account 11. Amazing. All right. So now let's go to Zen and see how much we're going to make. Okay. We're going to make minting it. Okay. So we're going to mint it. But before we mint it, let's think about how much money we think that we can make. Right now, I'm connected to my big wallet. I'm connected to the big wallet, or I was. It has about $76. The claim is about 76 cents. Let's reload it because it has old data. Yes. Okay. So it's going to expire in about, I can claim it in about 6 days. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to send the transaction that it expires in, let's say 29 days and 30 days from now. Before we send a transaction, I want to see how much Zen I'm going to make if I send it in 29 days or if I'm going to send it in 30 days. So what we can do is we go to this website right here called 𝘉𝘰𝘯𝘦. We send this is going to give us the Zen to mint, an estimation. The term is going to be 29 days from now. It's about new users per day. That's my guesstimation. So let's just estimate that there's going to be about 130 new users per day. I did the calculations before, and if you do about 130 users per day, it's going to give you a realistic, true estimation of how much Zen that you're going to get. The AMP right now is, hold on, let me see, 2998, right? That's how much it was? 2998. And then the EAA is 9.3. Now it's not going to let you type in 9.3, so 9 is good enough. So in 29 days, the Zen that I'm going to mint, right? I spent $5.18. That $5.18 is going to be worth, it estimates that's going to give you 665,000 Zen. 665,000 Zen is worth $97. So me putting in about $5.18 is going to give me an estimation of about $97 in 29 days. And that's if it stays the same price. If it increases in value, let's say that the price doubles in 29 days, is going to be worth $200. It's probably not going to double in 29 days. It's probably going to reduce a little bit. But even if it reduces a little bit, even if it reduces a lot, like let's say it cuts in half by 50%, I'm turning $5 into, what is that, $49 in 29 days? That's all I have to do. And I can do this 100 times, 1,000 times if I need to. This is absolutely amazing. Yeah, so let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to Mint, and then we'll make sure that we're connected to account 10. And we're going to do it for 29 days, like we said, for account 10. And then all we have to do is click Start Minting. And it's going to cost us $3.66. See, I even put too much Ethereum in both of the accounts. So next time I'm probably going to do 0.003 Ethereum. So it's going to cost us about $3.66, $3.77, something like that. Click confirm. Our estimation is that's going to be 665,000 Zen coins. Let's see. It should be about 650 to 700,000 Zen coins that are going to be minted. So let's just wait and see. And there you go. The transaction is completed. So let me reload this to see. There you go. Okay. So yikes, my estimation was way off. Okay, so it's actually 266,000 that's probably going to be minted. But again, who cares? If it's 266,000, that means I'm getting $39 for this. And let's say that the price reduces dramatically. That means I'm getting $20 for this. So I'm changing $5 into $15, right? And that's only because it's done in 29 days. If it's done a year from now, right? If I decide to claim it a year from now, it's not going to be $29. It's literally going to be like $390 or something like $890. I did the calculations before. It's going to be absolutely ridiculous. In fact, let me show you my Chrome. Okay, look. So I just did this earlier for about 190 days. And it's going to estimate that's going to give me 6,600,000 Zen coins in 190 days. 190 days that's like March 2023. So in March 2023, guaranteed $952 just from that one transaction. And I paid about $3-4 to mint that. Okay. So the longer out it is, the more money that you're going to make. And it's a little bit money right now. You saw that it was going to be about $20 in 29 days. But as time goes on, it increases higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. So in 6 months, it's going to be $952. Okay. So I'm telling you this because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money.